Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 232. If we start with this row, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 8. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 8. 5 here, so 3, 8. 8 here, so 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got the 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 8. 5 here, so 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 8. That means that our 4 for that box has to be here. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 5, and no help here. 2, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 8 here, so 3, 9. 4 here, so 3, 8, 9. 9 here, so 3, 4, 8. Same here, 3, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 9. No help here. 3, 5, 6, 9. Same here. 3, 5, 6, 9. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 6, 9. 5 and 6 here, so 3, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 3 here, so 8, 9. 9 here, so 2, 3, 8. 2, 8, and 9 here, so this is our 3. That 8 and 9 makes this our 2. That 2 and 3 makes this our 8, 9. Let's see what we can clean up here. That 8 makes this our 3, 5, 8. That 3 makes this our 9, 8. With this 8, we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. With that 9, we can get rid of this 9. All right, for this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. That 5 makes this our 2. We can get rid of this 2. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got the 2 here, so 6, 2. To finish out this box, we're missing a 1. For this top row now, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help, so 4, 9, 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 8. I don't see any other help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. With that 3, we can get rid of this 3. For this column now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. And the 7 can't be here or here, so it must be here. Right, let's do some looking here. In this row, the only place the 8 can be is here, and that makes this our 6. That 8 makes this our 5, 8. That 6 makes this our 5, 6. That 6 makes this our 5, 6, 5. Do some cleanup here. Can get rid of this 5 and 6. Oh, and we've got the 9 here. So this is our 3. That makes this our 9, 6. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. And for this box now, we're just missing a 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.